How to turn off autoplay videos on Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to turn off the autoplay videos on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on this More tab right here, tap on it. Now you can see settings icon right here at the top, tap on it. Here scroll down. Now here you can see advanced features, tap on advanced features. And just here you can see autoplay videos, tap on it. Now here just choose this never option, and in this way your autoplay videos will never be played. Now you can also choose the Wi-Fi only, so that your autoplay video will only be played in the Wi-Fi only. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.